am here to share with you yet another reason why I love Simple Lawn Solutions so much. They have an analysis for almost any situation. Now, what you see behind me is part of my front yard, which I'm having some issues with, and I'm trying to make look better. Right now, it's actually looking pretty good, to be honest with you. But basically, I'm having some compaction issues. I'm having high calcium, high magnesium, and my pH was a little bit elevated at 7.1. So for the entire season, I am only going to be putting down ammonium sulfate and some gypsum. Now, the ammonium sulfate goes down once every 8 weeks. I am through the first 4 weeks. So what I'm going to do is hit this sucker with a little bit of color with the Simple Lawn Solutions 2800. Now, what I love about this is that it has 70% fast release nitrogen and then 30% slow release so that the growth doesn't stop in between applications. Now, it is only nitrogen, which is fantastic, and that's what I need because that's what I want to put in this side of the yard only. So, Simple Lawn Solutions, they come through every time I'm looking for something to supplement my program. So. Now, as I was editing this video, I realized that you guys may think I'm a little bit crazy because the grass looked good. That's just the video. It's harder for you to see what I'm actually seeing here. So what I did was I went out and I took this video, which is a video of the problem side. And then I went to the other side of my yard, the side yard, which I'm not having any issues with. It's very well taken care of. It's very healthy. I don't need to supplement and put anything else on it. So hopefully you can see the differences and see some of the problems that I'm seeing. That one side, I can only put ammonium sulfate on it right now because I'm just trying to figure out what is actually going on over there. I'm trying to get that calcium and magnesium drop down a little bit, and hopefully the yard will start looking better. I did have aeration done as well. So here's hoping that all of those things in combination will help the front yard look as good as the side yard.